Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this video, we will explore articles in English. Articles are small words, but they are very important for correct English. We will learn about three main articles: a, an, and the. These tiny words appear before nouns and help us communicate more clearly. Let's begin our journey into understanding articles. So what exactly are articles? Articles are determiners that come before nouns to specify or identify them. Think of articles as tools that help us give more information about the noun. They tell us if something is specific or if it is general. They tell us if something is known or if it is unknown. For example, when you say a book, you mean any book. But when you say the book, you mean a particular book that is already known. There are three types of articles in English. The first is a, which is an indefinite article. The second is an, which is also an indefinite article. The third is the, which is a definite article. The indefinite articles a and an are used when we talk about something general or when we mention something for the first time. The definite article the is used when we talk about something specific or something that is already known. Now let's learn the difference between a and an. The rule is based on sound, not on spelling. Use a before consonant sounds. For example, a cat, a dog, a book. Use them before vowel sounds. For example, an apple, an egg, an hour. Notice that hour starts with the letter H, but it sounds like it starts with a vowel, so we use an. Remember, it is the sound that matters, not the letter. Now let's talk about the definite article. Use the when something is specific or already known. For example, the cat means a specific cat that you already know about. The sun is used because there is only one sun. The Statue of Liberty is a unique place, so we use the. When the listener or reader already knows which specific thing you are talking about, use the. Let's explore indefinite articles more closely. A and an are used for general or unspecified things. When you say I saw a book, you mean any book, not a specific one. When you say she is an engineer, you mean she works as an engineer, but you are not talking about a specific engineer. These articles introduce something new or general to the conversation. Let's look at practical examples to understand better. If I say I saw a cat in the garden, I mean any cat, perhaps one I do not know. But if I say I saw the cat in the garden, I mean a specific cat that is already known. Similarly, she is an engineer means she works in that profession. But she is the engineer here means she is the specific engineer in this place. We can also use no article at all. Cats are animals uses no article because we are talking about cats in general. Water is essential also uses no article for the same reason. Let's summarize what we have learned. First, a and an are used for general things, while the is used for specific things. Second, use them before vowel sounds and a before consonant sounds. Remember, it is based on sound, not spelling. Third, some nouns do not need any article at all, especially when talking about things in general or abstract concepts. Keep practicing these rules, and soon using articles will become natural for you. Thank you for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.